Then next example, if if s is equal to Sn, where n runs from 1 to infinity. Okay, if s is equal to Sn, where n runs from 1 to infinity, this is sequence is defined as 2n minus 1, where n runs from 1 to infinity, means which contains all odd terms. Given sequence s is defined as contains all odd terms. 2n minus 1 means odd terms. Okay, and next sequence n is defined as ni, where I runs from 1 to infinity. This is defined as n is their sequence is defined as I square. Okay, means n1 means 1 square, n2 means 2 square. Okay, I square, where I runs from 1 to infinity. Okay, then to find S5, S9, S7, then N2, okay, then N5, okay, then Sn3. Okay, and next question is a subsequence of given, here one sequence is given k, where k runs from 1 to infinity, means set of all positive integer given is a subsequence of this, means this sequence n sequence is subsequence of k or not. Okay, so here given sequence is s is equal to 2n minus 1, and then to here to find, and n is equal to I square, this sequence is given, then to find s5, s9, s7. Okay, using this all, let s is equal to sequence sm, n runs from 1 to infinity, is equal to 2n minus 1, where n runs from 1 to infinity. Here sn is equal to 2n minus 1, sn is equal to 2n minus 1, given that is sn is equal to 2n minus 1, and n is equal to ni is equal to I square, where I runs from 1 to infinity. Okay, that is ni is equal to I square. Okay, means ni is equal to I square. To finding s9 for s5, sn is equal to 2n minus 1, then s5 is equal to put n is equal to 5, then 2 into 5 minus 1 is equal to 9. This is a s5 is the element 9, fifth element of given sequence s is 9. Okay, then to find s9, s7 and s9. Okay, then s7 is equal to 2 into 7 minus 1 means 13, then s9 is equal to 2 into 9 minus 1 is equal to 17. In this way, s7 is equal to 13, s9 is equal to 17. Okay, then next element is to finding n2, n5 and n2, n5 and sn3. Okay, n2 here for n2, ni is equal to I square, here given that ni is equal to I square, then n2 is equal to 2 square is equal to 4. This is n2. Then to find, then next element to find n5. Okay, n5 is equal to n5 means 5 square, n5 put 5, ni is equal to I square, which implies that n5 is equal to 5 square. This is 25. Okay, then next element finding sn3. Value of sn3 is composed by using composite function. sn3 is a s composition n of 3. This is called sn3. Okay, this is called sn3. then S composition of n, S composition n of 3. How to their value is S of n of 3. N of 3 means S of n3. Okay. Number third element of given sequence n is here n is equal to n of 3 means n3 I runs third element. Okay, n of 3 means we apply third element n3. I runs from 1 to infinity 1 2 3. n3 value of n3 is 3 square. Okay, value of n3 is yes as it is 3 square means n3, since ni is equal to I square, using this, and s9, and value of s9 is value of s9 is 17. Okay, value of s9 is, since s9 is equal to 17, therefore 17, because since Sn is equal to 2n minus 1. Okay, therefore Sn3 is equal to 17. Okay, next question is sequence n is a subsequence this sequence. Okay, this sequence is subsequence of k or not. Okay, but this sequence is elements of this sequence are, since the sequence k runs from 1 to infinity, has the members, their elements are, has the elements if k is equal to 1 then 1, if k is equal to 2 then 2, if k is equal to 3 then 3, then 4, and up to so on infinity. Okay, elements of this sequence is 1 2 3 4, and elements of ni sequence, elements of n, and the sequence n is equal to ni is equal to I runs from 1 to infinity is equal to I square. Their elements has the elements of this sequence is, as the elements are, what is their element? This sequence contains element I square, means 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and up to so on. Okay, so elements of this sequence is also contained in this sequence. Elements of this sequence n is also contained in this sequence, therefore n is a subsequence of given sequence k. Okay, then clearly n is this sequence is subsequence of k runs from 1 to infinity. Okay, clearly n is a subsequence of this sequence, because their elements also this sequence, elements of this sequence is also contained in this sequence. Okay, therefore n is a subsequence of this sequence. Okay, then next example, if c is equal to cn is equal to, where n runs from 1 to infinity, here given sequence root n. Okay, where n runs from 1 to infinity, and n sequence is given that, suppose that I runs from 1 to infinity. This sequence is defined by I raised to 4. Okay, I raised to 4, where I runs from 1 to infinity. Then find Cn I, then find Cn I means composition function. Okay, or C over n, C composition n of I. Okay, how to find their value? How to find? Here by using composition definition of composition function. Okay, here C is a function, sequence C is defined here, n is a subsequence is defined here. So here let C is equal to Cn, which is equal to root n runs from 1 to infinity. Okay, that is Cn is equal to root n, and n is equal to ni, where I runs from 1 to infinity is equal to I raised to 4. Okay, I runs from 1 to infinity, that is ni is equal to I raised to 4. To finding ith element of composition of these two sequence is Cni is equal to C composition n of I. Okay, C composition means C of n of I, then n of I means ni. Okay, and ni is n of I, value of ni is I raised to 4. Okay, and when this sequence is applied on I raised to 4, then their value is root of I raised to 4. Okay, then their value is root of I raised to 4. This is written in the form of I square into I square, which is equal to I square into root I square. Okay, then root get cancelled, remaining only I square. Okay, therefore root into root get cancelled, remaining only I square. So C composition n of I is equal to I square, or Cn I is equal to I square. This is a formula of composition of two sequences. Okay.